Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Elgato Wave DX microphone and I'm going to show you how can you easily choose the correct microphone output in your PC. So at first we have to go into the settings of our PC. Now we have to go into sound. We have to go into or in home to sound or in system and then the second option sound. Now we have to scroll down to input. And now as you can see we have microphone array, that is our default microphone, our microphone from our USB audio codec. We have to select this one. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.